Yeah. Hello. All right. This is Edmund Osuma. I'm actually addressing the Billion Coin community and all the abundance mindset people all over the world. It's my pleasure to come to you again. Really, it's an exciting time in the TBC community worldwide, following precisely the release or the publication, the content describing the TBC August Promo. Um, Basically, right here, right now, a lot of content have gone out describing what we expect her to go about it in terms of the TBC promo. But for me, I am doing this video to try and see how I can, in a glance, show to people what they are expected to do. And I want to say that there's a blog here that you can see here. The TBC economy is not going to build itself. We are training you how to build it. Okay, there's a poster, video, and an article here. I've gone through this article. Actually, it mirrored what I had in mind to present within 15 minutes. Okay, concerning the TBC economy. Okay, no, not TBC economy, concerning the August promo actually that is coming up, which will, of course, give birth to the TBC economy that we have been talking about. Like in this video, Chikuka Obelagu actually highlights the fact that he has over 1.6 billion in his TBC wallet right now, and is looking forward to be able to use this. Precisely right now, you can click on that particular site, and on that video, and you can see that he's a web designer and is actually offering to either design your web page for you, 50% cash, 50% fiat, now 50% TBC, or train you to know how to become a very good web designer, 50% TBC, 50% cash. Okay. Now, what actually I'm going on the most exciting promo for TBC community in the month of August is this. And I am not coming out to review this video. No, I don't want to review this video. I don't want to tell you how. By now, a lot of content have gone out in terms of what to do with this video, in terms of what to expect and your role. Okay, but I reading questions that I'm in different TBC platform. I have my platforms that I promote, where I train minds and I train perception. Okay, and like one thing came to me, it was like TBC admin brought it out of my spirit. Okay, when it brought out that we have to build the TBC economy, it won't build itself. Okay, and one thing I actually want to bring out very clearly is that, most exciting promo for the TBC economy. No, this is not the one from the admin. I'm sure one of the leaders actually was trying to do this video to make us see what we're supposed to see. Okay, don't just read the August promo, study the article. Meditate on it, let it be part of you. Don't just read it, study it, understand every line, and don't assume. Don't begin to think, I think the admin said broadcasters are so excited about the August promo. TBC is a mission with currency and not a currency with a mission. Alright, I advise that you watch all this, but by the time you actually study the latest blog, which says that we are to build the TBC economy, it won't build itself. You get to understand, all right? What do you want to be, a millionaire or a billionaire? Is TBC a scam? You get to study it there, all right? That matter has been dealt with so far. In fact, it can never be overemphasized. Now, do you have the vision to take full advantage of the August promo? Now, this is the August promo. You have the poster, the video, and article. From the admin. Very, very quickly, like I said, reading through the questions a lot of people were asking, I was compelled. If you look at when I opened this picture, this poster first, it showed me something. I got something. Right now, this is more like a watermelon, right? It's a very, very juicy fruit, and it's very healthy too. It's essential to your nourishment. Now, so far, this is where we are in TBC. So far, this is the ground we have covered. All right, there is so much. Imagine from here to here, there is so much. All right, just this is where we are, and admin wants us to explore all this. That's the reason why this TBC promo is coming up in August. Now, looking at all these things, something came to my mind that admin basically, like I said, I'm not actually reviewing the promo. The promo. A lot of things have been done, but I want to talk to you, speak to your mind, to make you understand your role, what you have to do. Because I did a video in 2017. That was my first video that admin took and put on the blog. Why is it that we are not moving at the pace we ought to move? You know, we made a mistake then, recruiting people and telling them that, hey, it's not a network, right? Yes, you may not have to do anything, right? But it is not just so. You have a responsibility. The responsibility is for you to replicate the effort that the one who recruited you made for you to come in. Now, somebody got to you with this TBC news. Now you got it and you have hope. You have confidence in the future. It's important for you to get to people also and reciprocate this. You know, duplicate yourself. Don't just say, oh, TBC economy, oh, you're going to get it. Remember, in your wallet, once your wallet is open for you using the admin credits, you have a responsibility to get it to 2 people. That's the reason why your consent is not needed. Those 2 admin credits just pops open in your wallet. You have to use them. It's a crime against humanity for you not to use them. For you to just think, oh, let me just go to sleep. Now, with what is happening right now, admin has made it so easy for you to have the 1.1 TBC that is worth $10 million today by just duplicating, okay, your effort. Now you are enrolled into TBC, you have 2 free admin credit. Use 2 free admin credit to enroll someone. They don't have to pay anything. Now the 2 that they have used to enroll someone within 48 hours, you can actually do it within 24 hours. Alright, within 48 hours, you discover that you are having like 3 TBC. You could be having 3.3 TBC within 48 hours. It is possible. Okay, the target is not the best you can do, it's the minimum you can achieve. When they say within 48 hours you can have 1.1, it also suffices that you can have 3.3. Alright? You can have 4.4. You can have 5.5, 6.6 within 48 hours. Alright? Mass duplication is what is going to take us there. It is very possible, guys. The issue of I don't have money is no longer there. Get the person's detail, open the person's email for them if they don't already have, and from you pay. Then the one that you've paid for, get the detail of those persons, get some other persons, and get this done for them. Free. Don't look at the money. Alright? Now, what I'm saying is this. I said it before, the reason why we're not moving or progressing the way we ought to be. We saw the erroneous picture of you just get your TBC, go to sleep, okay, it just grows and it becomes, yes, it's a currency. Okay, whatever, for example, I am working to build the TBC community. Maybe I have 1 coin. Right now, 1 coin is worth over $9.5 million. You that has 1 coin have been asleep for the past 3 years. Yours is $9.5 million. Okay, that is the fantastic thing about it. But listen, if we all have put our hands on deck, we would right now possibly be talking about 1 billion members, which will fully unlock the potentials in the TBC community. So I am calling on you all to please get on board. Don't just receive it and celebrate. Get on board. Make sure your 2 admin credit is a task. It's a way of saying that you have work to do. You must ensure that you give those 2. You used to pay for somebody that don't have. That is how we treat people with love, with honor, with respect. Spread the abundance that TBC admin brings. And as you do this, you are rewarded. All right, now, something else I want to tell you also is that this strategy that TBC admin has brought, okay, is to eliminate excuse. Okay, let us ensure that nobody has that and keeps it. Now, admin has come beforehand to let us know that we have work to do. Now, let's get on to do this work. If you read the first TBC, that the latest blog, telling us that we are to build the TBC economy, it's not going to build itself. You know, there's about 2 minutes video there of how that about 30-story building was built. All right, now it may have taken over a month to build that. All right, now why was being built, smaller buildings could have been built within, it would have taken about 6 months to 1 year to build that, to get that done. While that was happening, there are some other buildings that will start and be completed within a month. Maybe just a bungalow or a duplex, a story building duplex will be far completed and people will park in and start living on it. Why this is still being built? And look, people might get injured in the process, okay? And a lot of things would have happened in the process because it's a huge project that would outlive even those that are building it. That's how unique it is. That's how TBC is. Like I told you, I said TBC is a project, okay? TBC project will not only turn heads, it will turn necks. Now, I read a blog, okay, that TBC puts in there. It's a video. How central banks have actually decided to stop selling gold, but they now want to withhold gold because it is now imminent that fiat currencies, whether dollar, pound, euro, naira, cedis, whatever it is, whether pesos, they are all going. They are going into oblivion. All right, cryptocurrency is taking over, and gold is coming back. And that's the reason why I keep telling you, I said, look, there are some persons who barely find it hard to understand the changes that have happened in the last 30 years, or the last 10 years, or last 1 year. Last 1 year. There are some people who are living, okay, in the future. Okay, they are living, okay, like 50 years from now. They are living far above. TBC admin is one of such. All right, because when I look at all the ideas in TBC and all the wonderful things that are coming in, wow, I just know that TBC admin are one of those that are living 50 years above their time. I am glad to be on board. I'm glad to have been chosen to be part of this. All right, and I want to tell you that if you are one of those that are lucky to come in during this promo, don't just stop. Use this promo to build a tree beneath you. Use this promo to build a referral tree. You are going to benefit so much in the weeks and the months to come because, like TBC admin said, this promo may end before August ending. It may be extended to September, but work as if it's going to end within the first 2 weeks. And I want to tell you, so that negativity will not come, please enlighten the people that you are bringing into this promo. Tell them the basic concept about the billion coin, and don't hesitate to refer them to the blog, which is https or www.blog.thebillioncoin.info. Remember, www.blog.thebillioncoin.info. All right, get them there. They'll get information in videos, articles, okay, and images, okay, that will build them up. Because there are some funny questions people are asking today. How do I make payment? Do I have to make payment? What is admin credit? Okay, what is the promo about? What is this? If you go to the blog, your spirit will be lifted. You will not have to be asking this question. Rather, you'll rather be the one leading people to answers. Now, I'm saying this, I'm making this video because it is important for us to know what is coming and to position ourselves and to get on board quickly and to do what is right. All right? I remember I told someone the time, I said time will come when people are going to be asking, what is Gringos? What is TBC? Nobody will have that time to answer you because we would have gone light years ahead of that. But when you go to the TBC blog, all the questions have publications there that will help you. All right, that will help you. So I think with what I have here, I'm almost running out of my 15-minute broadcast. I want to say that please go to my YouTube page, like my page. All right, if you want to actually get onto me, this is my number. Anywhere in the world, you can call me. Reaching me through +234 80 790 59055. Remember, +234 80 790 59055. Go to my YouTube page, like, click the subscribe button, and like that page so that whenever I do a video, you get notified. Okay, if it's a video that I'm going to put a notification there, probably I'm going to do it like 2 days or 2 hours or 2 minutes. You get notified so that you can clear your schedule and follow me. We can get interactive, all right, so that together we can build a huge mindset. Now, I want you to know this. Don't think this is even the best time to spread TBC. This is the best time. The reason is that I remember when I started premiering TBC in late 2017, I'll ask people, do you know about cryptocurrency? They'll say no. Blockchain, no. billion coin, no. But now